How to set up Esmart Tax Account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and on the search bar, search for libertytax.com and press enter. Then on this web page, you first want to click on the three lines at the top right corner and select Start Your Taxes Online. Once you click on this option, you want to scroll down and then you want to click on the Get Started option. Once you click on this option, you're going to find three different plans that Liberty Tax is going to offer you. It is Basic, Deluxe and Premium. You can also find out the charges over here as per the plan. Now here, if you want to choose Basic, remember that this is a simple tax solution such as single or married with no dependents. The Deluxe plan is for those whose lifestyles are a bit more complicated, such as having kids, investment, childcares, and more. And then there is Premium plan, which is for the self-employed, such as freelancers or contractor, or those who have other less common forms of income. Now you can select whichever plan you want. Simply click on the Start Now option. Now from here, you will be able to create your account, enter your email address, then enter it one more time to confirm it. After that, create a username. Then you want to enter the password. Make sure that the password has all the criteria. Then enter the password again for confirmation. After that, you want to check the box that says I have read and agreed to the service agreement and privacy policy. Then click on the Create Account option. After that, a code is going to be sent to your email. Go ahead and check your email. Now on this email, you want to copy this verification code, head back and then enter it here. Now click on the Submit Code option. After that, here you will have to fill up some security questions. Select the question and then write down your answer. After that, you want to click on the Save Answers option. Then you can enable the two-factor authentication if you want or skip it if you don't. And as you can see, your new account has been created. Now to set up, you want to click on the Next option. After that, you will have to answer some questions such as how will you file? Then you will have to answer some of your personal questions such as your first name, your last name, and then enter your social security number, your date of birth, and then your occupation. Click on the Next option once you have answered the question, enter your phone number and then your address details. Simply click on the Next option once you have answered the questions, and just like that, you have to follow the on-screen instructions. Once that is done, click on Yes, Add My State Return option and then click on the Save button here. Once you have filled up all the relevant details, your account will be set up, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.